Assalamualaikum. My name is FARHANIS binti RAMZI. My number matric AP170293 and I'm from Group 1. My group chose Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd and now I will explain about introduction and background of the company. Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd is owned by Mr. Azhar Rasnan and his wife Mr. Marian Boy. Starting in 1991, after he and his wife got married, they started making chip behind their house with a capital just 200 ringgit. And why? In 2000, Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd was founded under the private name of Azhar bin Raslan, and in 2005, the company was registered under Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd, which is continuation of Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd and manufacture. Due to increasing demand over the year, Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd called SMI and collect SMI product around Rengit and Batu Pahat location and sell at Azhar Food Supplier. Thus, Azhar Food Supplier conceptualized SMI product. In 2014, Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd export items such as BBQ chip, sweet potato chip to Yorkers market. Taiwan is the first country to receive product from the company Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd, and now Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd has just two branches, which is Rengit and Bandar Baru Uda.
My name is Khoo Ming and I will continue presenting the firm's innovation persuasions part. Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd's advantage in process innovations that allows the company to arrange the subsection of the company to ensure that each of the operation can be carried out smoothly and without any obstructions. The process innovations is important for the company as the food production includes many steps and the food processing process must be carried out continuously to make sure that they can produce large capacity of product in one day. The process innovation also includes the implementation of new machine technology in the company production line. This new machine technology is compatible as it helps the company to increase the production capacity and the product can be fulfilled the demand from the customer around Malaysia. As compared to the previous generation in operating the business, the production rate is relatively low, and the lack of manpower issue is another concern that the company has to overcome. It can replace the work of the workers with the help of new machine, and the work performance is more consistent and efficient. Besides, the complexity of these process innovations is low, where the machine can be easily obtained from the supplier. The machines are completely assembled and can get into operation in any time. The machine operator takes the responsibility to operate the machine in a correct manner. In addition, the triability of the process innovations is good where it has value added to the company production line. It improves the company overall performance by increasing the production capacity of the company that allows them to cover the demand from all the retailers in Malaysia. The machine also helps to improve the snack food quality and the customer can enjoy the high quality products. Furthermore, this innovation is observable, where the production of the company has increased after the implementation of the new machine technology. And the technology allows the company to make improvement on the production if necessary based on the demand towards the product. Increasing in the production capacity does not cost much as compared to the effort of manpower. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is FATINI binti ROSMAN and I would like to explain more about Azhar Food characteristic on innovation, including the pure condition of the company, the risk taking by the company and also the knowledge. Firstly, for the pure condition, basically before this, Encik Azhar and his wife, which is Puan Mariam, started a small business behind their house using a small capital, which is 200 ringgit. And also during that time they don't have using any machine to do all the process. They only have used manpower to do all the process, including to peel off the skin of chip. They only using hand to do other process and manually, including to cut the chip, clean the chip, and also fry the chip. And for the risk taking by the company, there are some risk taking. Firstly, this company lack of manpower because they have only one manpower, and the one which is the one have to do the repair machine, and the one have to go to the farm. Moreover, this company also lack of raw material if they are requested by the firm outside the country, because they cannot supply too many raw material for them because the raw material are limited for their company only. And next, the worker of this company are too comfortable with the current culture of workplace. It is hard for the company to implement new innovation because the worker are too comfortable with the current culture of the workplace. Okay, for the knowledge, we understand that Azhar Food still use hand to peel off the skin of chip because the machine, they are still not available for the machine for peeling the chip because they are not successfully yet in creating the machine. Okay, next, also we understand that Azhar Food also cooperate with fresh graduate student, which is from Faculty of Mechanical, which is FKMP, and student of HM, creating biodiesel machine for the Azhar Food manufacturing.
Hi, my name is FONG. Today I would like to discuss about firm perspective on innovation. First, I will talk about perspective of firm on product innovation. Product innovation creates from new ingredients or change in existing food products. It allows Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd to improve the food quality and reduce production costs. Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd also focus on the product innovation in packaging design of food products. Next, perspective of firm on service innovation. Service innovation is related to the creation of new market segments that aim at increasing sales and company performance. It enables Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd to improve its service by systematically observing and evaluating various customer needs in the market. The last one is firm perspective on process innovation. Process innovation includes development of production processes in factories to improve the internal operational processes. Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd introduced new methods of manufacturing, tools, device, and knowledge in producing food products. Finally, innovation offers Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd for product differentiation and creates competitive advantage against competitor threats. Through product, service, and process innovation, it can improve the performance of Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd and enhance leadership position in current food industry.
My name is FADLIANA binti Muhammad Isa, metric number AP170123 from Group 1. So I will discuss about the firm achievement and its performance. Azhar Food Manufacturing Sdn Bhd that achieve in short term is to make a new variety of potato chips. Besides of their famous spicy potato chips, they also plan to make an innovation to have a variety of spicy product achieve more profit. Azhar Food Manufacturing also achieve in long term to grow their business bigger too all over the world. They widen their business starting from inner market and then expand to the Asia country and lastly expand to international markets. So Azhar Food Manufacturing also has selling their products by online, which is Shopee. This way also can make easier to the customer to purchase their products and also make more profit to the company. So next I will explain about the summary of the interview. From the interview, we can learn that the company used a process innovations. Azhar Food Manufacturing introduced new methods of manufacturing, tools, device and knowledge. For service innovation, Azhar Food is actively involved in new service promotion, such as in Shopee as an online Shopee business platform. We also get some knowledge that we learn about current innovation in the Azhar Food Manufacturing is the tuber peeling machine is still not available. Until now, they've been using a manpower as a productive process. Azhar Food Manufacturing also accept innovation from students UTHM, which is a biodiesel machine. That machine helps the company in process of the graphics. Azhar Food Manufacturing also have a lack manpower and lack of raw material when get a lot request order from the customers. They cannot supply too many raw materials in one time, so it make difficult to the company accept bulk of orders. Furthermore, the weather in Malaysia also made a challenge to the company because they cannot predict the weather that could to the raw materials such as potatoes, bananas and others. So that's all for
Next, I will present about the group's basic innovations idea for the company and the response from them. The first one, service. Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd is encouraged to implement the innovations in their service. For example, the company used to collect order from the online platform, such as the Shopee, at most of the time. And our group suggests that the company should establish a group that purposely handle the online customer. And the reason behind these suggestions is that the online platform requires almost zero cost in dealing with customer, and it is the faster way to get response from the customer. It allows the company to receive order in a larger capacity with the widely use of online platform. The owner of the company agree with the suggestions, but the problems they currently encounter is in hiring manpower to work with the company. They have mentioned that the suggestions will be taken into considerations in futures if the situation allows them to do so.
For the basic idea innovation for this company, in terms of process, our group would like to suggest this company to work with UTHM student to build high technology machine to produce higher production.
Okay, then I will explain about group basic innovation idea. The third is product. Our group suggests that Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd can try to launch new food product such as vegetable, dry fruit, flavor fruit pieces and so on. This is because the current trend is that customers are more aware of the health-related benefit food product, which can improve health status. Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd have to fulfill the change in demand of the customers, which oriented toward good quality and healthy product. And beside from that, Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd can use vacuum pack to pack the food product, and this is aimed to extend food product life, keep freshness and maximizing food product quality. And a good packaging can strongly influence a customer's decision to purchase the product.
Good morning, doctor. My name is Yuan-Xin. Now I will present about future competition of the company. First is opportunity. Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd cooperates with other foreign countries and has diplomatic and cooperative relations with other foreign entrepreneurs to widen business so that the company's mission and vision are accomplished. Next, Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd have spent a lot of money to ensure an environment-friendly disposal use cooking oil, and it can benefit Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd in terms of cost and usage of waste. Second is trade. New technology developed by the competitors could be a threat to Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd in medium to long-term future. Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd should innovate their machine to increase supply of their product to prevent over-demand or orders. Last is conclusion. Process innovation may help the company to ensure that each of the operation can be carried smoothly without obstruction. Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd creates new products from new ingredients or change in existing food products to fulfill current needs in the market. Application of product innovation offer Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd for competitive advantage against competitors' trade. In conclusion, firm's innovation may help Azhar Manufacturing Sdn Bhd think through and achieve the organization's current mission and environment, and set guidelines for future decision and also present decision. That's all for our presentation. Thank you, Doctor.